Hey guys, back again. Different time. No sun anymore. It's night. I'm just gonna go grab a quick pair of shoes somewhere at this very nice shop. So bear with me. So we're still here at the fucking. My bad. Sorry for the bad word. We're still here at the market, Jamaa El Fna market. I'm with some family members. They're just doing their thing. I'm waiting for them. So and I'm building my way up to this store. This store is very nice. It's a great guy that had a lot of pair of shoes. This is where I bought this pair of shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. As you can see, more juice stands. Very fresh, very affordable. So we're heading in. This is a new place. They have waffles. Didn't try it yet. I'm not the biggest waffle fan, but it smells amazing. Here we got the Messi t-shirt. Forza Inter Milan. We got nice pottery here, plates and all. And we got my old friend here. Hello, friend. What's up, guys? All good? Yeah, good. Back to the narrow streets of Marrakech at night. It's a different vibe. Definitely more crowded than the day. It's beautiful. You got the little shops, little utility. I mean, if you need water or something, you got those shops too. If you need products for your living room, you have them as well. We have our friend here selling wood stuff. And this is a hammam actually. This is where women would go and clean themselves. It's hot. It's steaming hot inside, so it's easier to clean yourself and get rid of the dead skin. And this place is where I ate yesterday. It's pretty good. Talking to the family, we decided to go get some shawarma. Let's get a shawarma. Also, look at these narrow streets. This is like a Assassin's Creed type of streets. I gotta say, amount of tourists this year, it's mind-blowing. First haircut for your Marrakech stay. I have another one on the left. And yeah, shoes everywhere. This is heaven for the shoe lovers. Yeah, well, I guess a lot of people are big fans of shoes, but they can't afford the real price. So these shops, basically, they're here to make you have a taste of that shoe that you've always been dreaming of, etc. Back to the hectic market, which I love dearly, and I've been coming here since I was at a very early age. And as I said earlier, the tuk-tuk, this is the call for prayer. This is where people know it's about time to go and pray. سناكس الله يحفظك شكرا
لابس
بارك الله فيك سناكس الله
اليوتيوب
يحفظك الله يحفظك
لابس مانجو لك السلام
الله يحفظك
وري الناس وري الناس وري الناس
Alright guys, this very friendly guy here
I'm Marco.
is showing me Marco. Marco is very friendly. He said hi.
C'est le macaque, le moyen de Atlas.
It's a macaque for the Atlas Mountain.
Yeah.
What's your name, my friend?
Marco.
Marco.
Yeah.
Talk حبيبي.
أنا اسمي حسن.
Hassan, please be talk.
You Marco.
Marco and Hassan.
Yeah.
They're the great pair.
No, me.
Yeah,
Me
you-
Hassan.
yeah.
You Marco.
Marco,
Okay.
how we doing today?
For upstairs, for upstairs.
I hope you're taking care of him.
Yeah.
Okay, then my bad.
No, hey.
الله يتعامل معك. الله يتعامل معك انت كنت زوين. Okay, this is Hassan and Marco. You guys, when you come to
Welcome to Morocco.
make sure you come to this guy.
Yeah.
He's very friendly. He didn't even ask me for money. He would just like to come show the people. And Marco is very friendly too. I hope he's really good. Oh,
Nice.
they're cute.
الله يسلمك.
So this is stuff you get in Marrakech. They're like unpredictable, spontaneous interaction with people. I got Marco on me, I didn't ask for it, but I surely enjoyed it. Alright, so here we are, back into the market with action. So as I said earlier, this is where you find the food. A lot of food choices. We got a lot of قولنا شوية على التشليات. So what do we have here, my friend? We have like everything's fresh,
I
everything's
promise,
good,
no good look. I have beef, lamb, chicken, lamb chops.
and the
sausage.
tourists should come to you next time.
I promise, but you have salad, veggie, pepper, spinach. You have tangy, fish in the
Because he is already there as well.
lamb, beef. I like couscous with vegetable.
Sounds good. Sounds good. All right. So what's the number? So when people come to Marrakech,
29, brother.
29. All right. I was seeing 29 is your man.
It's 5 guarantee, no
5
diarrhea.
years guarantee. Oh, that's amazing. I'm back live. Just had the food. It was not as good as I expected. It was pretty good, but I expected more flavor, more taste to it, but it was not the case. But overall, it was an 8, 7.5. And now I'm heading to more narrow streets with a lot of stuff. Stuff from outer space too, I would suppose. We got the famous Moroccan jersey. It's been big since Morocco did a great job in the World Cup, so everyone is buying it. It has nice colors, red and green. So that's amazing. Amazing. Everyone is like just repeating the last word I would say. So, back at it. Thank you. Back in the streets, where everything is possible and nothing is impossible. So, we got the Moroccan style. You can see it. I don't know if you're into this type of style, but it's surely very nice. We got the very nice silver. السلام عليكم. كان يصور شوي. كان يصور. لحظة. So I'm just the nice guy allowed me to go and take a nice little video for you. So you have everything silver, 100%. Rings, necklaces, earrings, all you want, and at affordable prices, right? Very good price. And this guy have another shop there, so I'm just gonna check it out quickly to see what they have. So as you can see, he has a lot of nice pieces, A lot of nice silver authentic pieces. This would be a great gift for your girlfriend if you have one. If not, maybe for your Tinder date.
And
Fatma. So just so they can know, give me an idea about the price. هذا بشحال? How much is this one?
120 dirham.
120, which is like nothing. It's peanuts. It's 12 bucks.
This Moroccan price.
Yeah, this is a very nice piece that is shiny. It's good. Apparently, it saves you, or like it doesn't get bad vibes to you when you wear it. And how much is this thing?
هذاك 800.
800 dirhams, but it's 100% silver, and it's sure will impress your girlfriend / Tinder date. Sure would be a nice thing. My friend, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Wish you a great day. And now back at it again. Oh, so more shops, more exotic things. Wood shop here, very nice as well. If you're looking for some wood camels to put in your living room. I gotta love these shops. Always so shiny and welcoming. They're amazing. More silver stuff. This is amazing stuff. This is very good sandals with nice stuff. It's a new model. The man of the store is saying it's new model. So if you come here, just find him and get this. So back at it again, and this very nice journey with you guys, showing you what's going on in the market. اسمعي back at it again. So there is this guy who has like very nice purses. My girlfriend bought some purses for him last year. I'm trying to find him. I'm not sure where I can get to him. Okay. So it's a maze, guys. It's a real maze. You go and you're up, you're down. Somehow. So more beautiful stores with beautiful stuff. Ashtrays as well. If you're a smoker, if you're a vapor like me, you don't need an ashtray, obviously. But if you'd like to have an ashtray, this is your place. They have very nice handmade ashtrays for the style and for a purpose. Oh, look at this cute bag. This would be a nice little bag you take to the beach, for example, in Italy, in Sicily, in Mallorca, in Spain. So, keeping on with the maze, going straight, going right, going left, doesn't matter at this point. It's just food for the eye. Food for the eye. More shoes. They're big in shoes, real leather. It's great stuff. And I think I found my guy. I really found my guy. شكرا لحظتك. So this store has a lot of good stuff as well, as you can see. It's very nice, very clean, very lovely. Watches as well, if you're looking for watches, this is your guy. شو اسمك؟ عبد الواحد is your guy. He has it all. عبد الواحد شحال كدير هذا؟ شحال ثمن هذا؟ قول لي انا. السلام عليكم. ندوبلهم لي باش يفهموني. How much is this one?
هذاك نخلي لك 400 درهم.
400, 400. So very affordable. You get a nice Yves Saint Laurent. كاين واحد. So the guy was not happy with me filming because he didn't like it. He's probably like having issues with the authorities for selling like such a great fake bags that look very real. So I understand him, I respect him, and I gotta say he has the best bags in here. So now I'm making my way out from the market, back again to the juice people. It was a great experience with you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it as I did. And I'm wishing you a great day. See you in Marrakech soon. Peace.
Come back.